What's up, guys? So today it's just me. We're gonna start. Well, I'm gonna try to fix the Fiesta. I've already started, as you can probably tell. I'm a bit knackered already. So what I've got is last year I put an oil cooler on the car and an oil pressure and temperature gauge. And to do that, I had to fit a T-piece, and that T-piece that I got, I think it fit just about right, but probably not perfect. So it's pretty much, well, it was leaking oil for quite a while, but only when you drove it and it got hot. So I've now got new T-piece, a new couple of other bits, and then some O-rings and stuff. Just to get it all snugly fit, pretty much. Hopefully stop any leaks. So I'll show you where I've got to, show you how it all goes together, and then we'll hopefully resume later for a drive if it works, I guess. Right, catch you in a bit. So underneath the car now, I'll put flash on so you can see. So we've got, this is the oil filter housing. So I've got a new gasket that seals that. I've already put that on. This here, new T-piece, as you can see. It's got a copper O-ring there. So that T-piece there connects to this. That's your pressure switch. Yeah, that's the one. So that goes in the end of it. Then I've got this, which goes into one side of that T-piece, and then this is the pressure gauge, or the temperature gauge, pressure, I think, and that goes into there. And then I've got all these assortment of O-rings, and then a new oil filter. And then it all goes into that. They're the two wires, and that wire there. And then this is the oil cooler, which is up there, I believe. Yep, just there. That's your oil cooler, which you can see there-ish. Yeah, that's pretty much it all. And then we've got to swap wheels on, because as you can see, we're still on semi-slicks, and we're in January, so it's not very cracking. So we're back, still underneath the car. So I tried tightening the T-piece, if you can see it there. Tried tightening that up. The thread's slightly too long, so I'm gonna have to just put another O-ring on there. So I've got to take it all off again. Great. Bit of an issue though. So putting these two pieces together, so the pressure switch and the T-piece, I've managed to snap that, and it's stuck in there. So we're going to sack off the pressure gauge, just so I can get it all back together, and then we'll come back to that at another time. But hopefully I can get it all back together and get it all tight anyway, so I can actually drive it. So yeah, we'll put it back together and see where we are. Right guys, we're fixed, we're good. Just been out for a little drive. It works, I guess. So that's good. There's no oil leak. We just don't have oil pressure gauge anymore, so that's constantly blinking red at me. Obviously I know it's fine, it's just not plugged in. So we still have temperature. If you can actually still hear me, you can tell it works, I guess. I've noticed I've got a screw in one of my wheels, which is great. so that's probably a slow puncture. Whether it'll be fixable, I don't know. Just have to see, I guess. Other than that, my rear heated windscreen button is wedged in. So I turned it on, it's got stuck in, it's turned itself off. So it does it. As soon as it gets up to temperature, it turns itself off. But now I can't turn it back on, it's wedged in. And because I haven't drove it for so long, there's like loads of moisture in here, which is great because like the front windscreen is like in the inside of it, it's just covered in water. But I've cleared the driver's side, so it's just passenger side. Other than that though, I think we're good. So I'll catch up with you later. Bye. I'm back. Car's done. I've just had a quick shower because, you know, covered in oil and shit. So I'll quickly go out and show you a quick walk around of it, I guess. So this is the one that's got the slow puncture in it. So I'll have to keep an eye on that. But rest of car, it's a bit grimy at the minute, so it needs a good wash. Yeah, it's probably not been washed in a while. And, you know, quick glimpse at the other car. But yeah, that's it, I guess. We'll call it there. Catch you next time, I guess.